Last but not least, guys, master people skills. No man is an island. Tama? Value people you work with and work for along the way, and they will repay you one way or another. And part of that is, guys, tumingin kayo sa inyong pinagalingan. Part yan of value people skills. Alam niyo ba ako? The reason why I have a lot of friends, kahit dati ako sa estado ito, pinapalit-balikan ko pa rin ang mga kaibigan ko yung kapag-ahon ko. Kung tambay pa lang ako ng high school, yung mga gagas ako ng high school, yes, gagas ako ng high school. Sabi ko sa inyo eh, hindi ako mabuti yung mag-aaral ng high school. Okay? So guys, that ends my presentation. But before I plug myself, before I market myself, after all, that's part of my presentation about market yourself. There. I want to leave you with something. Guys, sino dito ang mga, sino dito ang mga hindi masyado nagsaseryoso ng high school? Sino dito yung mga lagi yung papagalitan nila, Sir Faustino, ang Nashville, ano ito ba sila? Gondra, si Isaglayan. Okay. Guys, kayo pa lang, pagtiro na kayo. Pero just in case parang kayo ako, na graduate at lahat, hindi pa yun ang tino, okay lang yan. Pero sana para sa pamilya nyo, para sa mga tao pinamahal nyo, magtino kayo sa college. Mag-aral kayo mabuti. At syempre, huwag na kayo mag-aral mabuti. Be the jack of all trades. Ako, mag-aral ako mabuti. Naging active ako sa student leadership. Ang mga talento ko, ginamit ko. And after college, ang mga opportunities, hindi ko na kailangan hanapin. Lumabas lahat ang mga opportunities. Lumabit gusto sila sa akin. And I grabbed the opportunity. And I hope that will serve as a lesson for you guys. Okay? Alright, so that's my presentation, guys. So just, like my Facebook fan page. Alam ko, we wish those speakers na talagang big things sa aking heart today. So please like my Facebook fan page and your address. Follow me on YouTube and follow me on Twitter as well. And have a Pinterest account. And please drop by my website, my just started website, www.myronsantana.com. And that's my number. I want to key that in. So, pull up your cell phones and type in 0905-36621. So if you want me to speak with your group, just let me know.